Good morning, grade 1S students. Hope you are doing well. Please open your books, page 15, and let's start a new activity, need of carbon dioxide. This activity is divided into two parts. When we introduced this chapter, we talked about the essential nutrients needed by chlorophyll plants. Water, minerals, light, and carbon dioxide are essential nutrients needed for the production of organic matter. What do I mean by organic matter? What is an organic matter? The organic matter refers to the large source of carbon-based compounds found in animals and plants. In other words, the carbon-based compounds contain the molecule carbon. Some examples of organic matter produced by green plants are glucose and starch. Look here, for example. This is the chemical formula of glucose, C6H12O6. Since in its chemical formula there's the molecule carbon, we can say that glucose is an organic one. Starch is made up of several glucose molecules. An important note to be mentioned here is about the plant matter. What is it composed of? The plant is composed of 80% water and 20% dry matter. The dry matter is composed of 95% organic substances. It could be carbohydrate, protein, lipids, and 5% minerals. Please pay attention later when we solve an exercise. When they tell you dry matter, here we are mentioning the organic substance. It's the same. Many experimental studies have shown that the carbon of the plant's organic matter is the one found in the carbon dioxide absorbed from the environment. Does the production of organic matter depend on the concentration of carbon dioxide? Question number 2. Does the plant incorporate the carbon found in carbon dioxide to produce the organic matter? In today's video, we are going to answer the first question. To determine the effect of carbon dioxide on the productivity of plants, 3 lots of 15 radish seeds were weighed and planted inside 3 transparent jars, more or less rich in carbon dioxide. The conditions of light, temperature, and irrigation were the same in 3 cases. The variable factor in this experiment is carbon dioxide. We are only changing carbon dioxide while the other conditions are the same. Please look, for example, here. We have 3 cases or 3 media. The first medium, there's only 0.03% carbon dioxide. In the second medium, 0%. However, in the third medium, 3%. Can you see how the growth of the plants is affected by the change in the concentration of carbon dioxide? Look here, for example, in document 2, we have the number of apparatuses, 1, 2, 3. We planted in each apparatus 0.15 grams of radish seeds. 0.15 in 1, 0.15 in 2, 0.15 in 3. These values are at the beginning of the experiment. After 20 days, every lot was desiccated in a stove, then weighed again. Look what happens. The dry mass increases in the 3 cases. However, it increases much more in case 1 and case 3. It increases very slightly, 0.40 in case 2, where carbon dioxide is absent. And if we want to calculate the produced dry mass, the produced dry matter, or the pure organic matter, I should bring the difference between the dry mass of the plants harvested at the end of the experiment to that at the beginning of the experiment. Okay, now pay attention. I'm going to analyze this experiment. In all media, 1, 2, 3, the radish seeds have the same conditions of light, temperature, and irrigation. In medium 2, when the radish seeds are planted inside a jar where the concentration of carbon dioxide is 0%, After 20 days, the growth of the plant is weak and they produce 0.25 grams of organic matter, which is very low. However, when the concentration of carbon dioxide increases to 0.03% in medium 1 and to 3% in medium 3, the plants grow normally and there is an increase in the production of organic matter to 2.53 grams in medium 1 and higher in medium 3, 2.97 grams. This indicates that the high concentration of carbon dioxide greater than 0.03% favors the higher production of organic matter. That's it for today. Please answer the following questions.